can send messages via Pabbly for the new channel version 2. Once you open the Pabbly link shared, you need and it will take you to this page. Click on accept this app. And once you have accepted the app, then you can search in the in the action option in Pabbly for API for WhatsApp notifications V2. So API for WhatsApp notifications is the channel name. Now here select the option of send notification, that is sending the template message. Click on connect. Click on add a new connection and you need to enter your API token. To get your API token, go to your CRM, go to the channels page, and from here click on the three dots and click on access token. It will generate an access token. Kindly copy it and paste it here in Pabbly and click on save. Now let us see if so whatever the templates that you have in your WhatsApp channel will automatically come here in the drop down. You can select any template and then in the recipient number you need to enter with country code, and in the image header image you need to enter the image URL. If you have text variables, you can select the template and you can fill the variables here. The receiver number will be with 91, that is the country code, and without any plus sign. And this is how you can send the WhatsApp template. Let us quickly do a test. Save and send test request. I have already received the message right now. Thank you.